The sky's broken up here. It's just pounding rain and lightning, and it's going out of control here. We just finished a great barbecue dinner, and now Guido's taking us to his restaurant. It's some campground, and it's just raining non-stop hard. The water's coming in the restaurant. It's pouring rain out there. We just had a fantastic barbecue. Mi chiamo
Sara.
Mi chiamo
Guido.
Mi chiamo
Nico.
Let's go. We're gonna make a pasta aglio olio with mi chiamo Hamid, and we've got this beautiful, nice caramelized garlic with pane grattugiato, breadcrumbs. We've got some beautiful garlic. It's aglio olio time here in beautiful northern Italy. Mi chiamo
Hamid.
Mi chiamo
Hamid.
più forte
Hamid.
Hamid. Look at that. We're gonna finish it off with some beautiful chili. What is that? That's unbelievable. I've never seen that before. And io mi chiamo Franco.
Franco.
I don't know how to describe this night, but what an absolute pleasure to have met you, Fabio Gambini. Did I pronounce it correctly?
Yes, perfect.
And I'll tell you, we were at Vecchio Mulino Beach Collection, and it really truly is a collection. I've had an opportunity to spend a bit of time with Fabio this evening, and we shared a bit of conversation in terms of his inspiration, his vision. Basically described it as a collaboration. It truly is a collaboration, a collection, discovery, trying to reinvent and rediscover dishes from his travels. Back to the collection, it's a labor of love with his girlfriend.
Pamela. Spaghetti is Pamela. Pamela, she came.
Pamela.
Yes,
Pamela. And she's also the core graphic designer of a menu. As a graphic designer, extremely impressed in terms of how they care and present their food the way this sergeant wants it presented. It's a war zone in the kitchen, but it's a love war zone. Everyone in the kitchen understands the vision, and all of them respect the vision, and they carry out that vision in every sense of the word, from choice ingredients to presentation to innovation. What's your core inspiration to be a chef?
Many. Thing is, you need to love what you do.
Love what you do.
You need to love the ingredients. You need to love the research. It's always a process to go forward. And that's it. Then all the things can by themselves after this.
You make it sound easy. It's not easy. This is not an easy little trip. It doesn't happen overnight. This is again, back to the word collection in the name of his restaurant. It truly is a collection. It's a collection of many things that once put together with the proper formula and proper methodology and proper vision, it truly becomes the proper eating experience. What an absolute honor to have met you.
Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
For your kind and thank you for visiting.
Well, you know what? We're going to see you again, and I'll tell you, what an absolute magical night today with Fabio Gambini here at his wonderful Vecchio Mulino Beach Collection. The restaurant's flooded. Water's coming in from everywhere. People are having candy. Pagamo classic. Some things can be reinvented, rediscovered, but you can't beat classic candy plus. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Good, good. Yeah. And there you have classic candy floss in northern Italy with Fabio. Out of control. Did you take a picture of the frame? Take a picture of it.